have this leaf around your house and you want to grow your hair really fast, you have nothing to worry about. Guava leaf is just the perfect remedy to grow your hair. Either being it the guava leaf oil, the boiling method to rinse your hair, or just blending and using it. These three processes, we are going to learn it in this video, and how I prefer doing mine for better infusion of this guava leaf. First of all, I get my guava leaf around my house. I rinse it, wash it very well to remove any dirt or any impurities that might be under it. Then I got my mortar to pound these leaves because I want to use it to do the oil part of it. So keep on watching to see how I use this guava leaf perfectly for my hair growth. To know that this guava leaf is so strong and to believe that it works so well, do not use your white clothes or something that is still important to your heart, because I tried it and it stains my handkerchief and anything that I use with this guava leaf for my hair. That is another part to know that this remedy is so strong and it can help your hair to grow out from the roots. If you're having breakage, use guava leaf. And if you are struggling to grow your hair, still do not look down on guava leaf. If you have dandruff, please guava leaf be your friend. If your hair is refusing to pass TWA stage, guava leaf should be the way to go. Pounded all of it and I'm removing from the mortar to pour in the plates. The next step is I got my plates that I'll be using and my pots, that is guava leaf as you can see, and my oil, that is my palm kernel oil. From my last video coming from the papaya leaf video, a lot of you were asking that what oil did I use. My best oil that works so well for me is palm kernel oil, and I love using this oil so much in all my remedies because my hair love it and my hair sees this oil as the miracle working oil. So I add my guava leaf, the pounded guava leaf in the pot, and I'm adding my oil. The oil that you are going to add into this palm kernel oil should be more than the guava leaf. I put it on a low heat to cook on the gas cooker. So stay tuned and enjoy the process. I brought the oil down from the gas cooker, then I sieve it using my white handkerchief, and that is where my problem comes in. This thing is so strong, so do not just use a weak cap and using something that you still want to use for something else. Guava leaves are great for hair growth. Guava leaves are rich in vitamin A, B, and C, which are essential for hair health. They are also packed with antioxidants and flavonoids according to research, which help reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. Additionally, guava leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that can smooth and soothe the scalp and reduce dandruff. making it an excellent choice for all hair type, being it coil hair pattern, your hair you have 4C, 4B, all the patterns of your hair. Guava leaf is the best friend. So keep on watching to see how I will use this guava leaf to make my herbal tea or my guava leaf rinse. What I added into this guava leaf oil was my vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to stimulate hair growth and promote perfect hair growth. So if you have vitamin E, just add a capsule of it in your oil. Here you go, the guava leaf oil is ready. Now is for the guava rinse. The thing I did was I used the remaining guava leaf that are pound, add into the same pot, add some water and cook under 3 to 5 minutes so that the beneficial properties that are in this guava leaf will not lose its own potency. So do not overcook it, cook on a very low heat, and you can see for the fact that I pounded this guava leaf, everything was just given. Guava leaf infused in the oil so perfectly well. After it has cooled down, I strain the mixture, then put in a jar or a bottle. There you have it. That is how I made my boiled guava leaves. So let us move on to the next step. But before we do that, if you haven't liked the video, please do well to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comment section whether you have used this before or not. Please, where are you watching from? So this is the third and the final step, where you will just cut your guava leaf, put in the blender, add some water and blend. You are good to go. Easy, simple lemon squeezy. You have it and use for your hair. It still work the same as the other two that we mentioned earlier on. So thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video so that others will find it and come to watch. Now it's time for me to use this treatment on my hair, and the way I use this treatment, I use it as a hair rinse. After I condition my hair, do all the washing, now it's time for me to treat my hair. And the frequency of use for you to get good results, you might use it once a week or twice in a week, but one thing you should remember is that repetition of using this remedy, that is the only way that you will use this guava leaf to grow your hair faster, long and get healthier hair. Remove the excess water by using a cloth. use a cotton shirt to remove essence of the guava leaf and spray. Then I went ahead to use my guava leaf oil to moisturize my hair for better results. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.